to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, back on the Gold Coast. I'm working on this 2008 to about 2017 CX-3. I'm going to be swapping out the master control switch. Pretty straightforward job. I'd say we get it in and out in about 15 minutes. You do have to take the door card off. It's not too bad. Don't let that frighten you. If you do need this part, guys, don't forget anything that we do videos for, we sell the product. Click on the title of the video, description pop down. Click on the link, buy the product, get it in your hand, come back to this video. I'll help you throw it in rather, save yourself some money, and once you get to the end, guys, don't forget, give us a thumbs up and sub to the channel. Alrighty guys, I won't stuff you around, let's jump into it. Right, so it's fairly simple actually. You don't have to take the door card off, but there is a little trick to get these switches out. I've already pre-done it, so I went through all the bloody hard struggle to work out exactly how to get it out and back in. So, in order to get it out, naturally, obviously, you have to peel it up and out. So you start at the back, just use like a nice little tool, and you want to just pop the rear up, and then you need to get the back this direction. So you kind of want to do a twist effect, and as you do the twist, the back clips pop out, and then pops out like that. So at that point, you obviously grab the electrical plugs, you just depress it, one. If you need to, just push it in before you pull, if you know what I mean. That way it just pops out easy. One, push in, pull, and then boom, you get your switch out. Now you bring it over to your table, where hopefully you got a nice light. And guys, hopefully you've already got your brand new switch from Parts Factory. You just grab these little tabs here and just pry them like that. And then you come over to this side, pry it like this. Pry each tab one at a time. Pry the second one here. And then hopefully as you're kind of prying them, it stays up in the air, if you know what I mean. Stays unclipped, so you can see all three of them are unclipped. And then you come over to this side and do the same thing. Pry that one. Pry that one. Come to the last one. Pry this one. And the switch pops out like that. Boom. So obviously we reuse this piece, but this is the piece we're here to change, and we're probably here to change it because if yours does that, see how it stays down or stays up, that's a problem, or it just doesn't work at all. So that's what happens to these switches. They either stay up or down or stop working entirely. So you'll get something like this from Parts Factory. It'll be the brand new switch. Obviously rip it open. Hopefully a bit better than that. Grab your new switch out. It'll look something like this. Bang. And obviously that new one in there. Boom. Good to go. Alrighty, so I'm going to follow the exact same procedure in reverse. I'm going to skip all the way to the where I'm putting it back in the door, because all this is very self-explanatory. See you in a second. Guys, so usually I would let you go ahead and do this yourself, but there is a bit of a trick to this. I found out the hard way. Obviously, naturally, you put your plugs back in, so your door switch works. At this point, guys, while you're there, test to see this whole setup works. So you would turn your car on, put the window up and down. If you're good to go, now we get to the sometimes tricky part. So if you just go straight down and in, what will happen is you'll have a gap here, and the way to fix that is you want to angle the switch like this, push it to the left, then bring it down. Hopefully in one easy situation. Push it up this direction while pushing it down. That's what I'm basically talking about. There is a little way you got to do it where you get the top in, up the very top, and then hopefully it all goes in. So as I was saying, guys, you need to angle it down, push the front forward, and then you need to guide these pins in. So you got to bring it down and kind of pop it into place. It can be a pain. It took me about 2 minutes just then, but all it is guide it in and then guide the clips down as you come down, because otherwise it like bends and it's just a whole massive problem. Alrighty guys, this has been a nice and short, sweet one, but I know for a fact there's going to be a few people out there that have that exact same problem. That's the solution. It's the only way. Other than that, guys, you could always take the door card off and guide it in by watching, if you know what I mean, if you absolutely can't get it back in. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas. I'll see you next time.